Hi guys, after a hard, exhausting day at work, sometimes you just want to get home to a hot, healthy meal that's easy to cook. The best Zoodle makers help you do just that. Zoodle makers are kitchen essentials that help you spend less time in the kitchen and prepare a meal quickly. They make slicing vegetables faster and easier, courtesy of the multiple blade options that cut down on chopping time. Your food gets cooked and served faster, and not to mention, you don't have to spend the effort of cutting the veggies or even fruits individually. Read this post as we have listed the top Zoodle makers or spiralizers below. So, let's get started. Number 11, Lifestyle Dynamics Original. This Zoodle makers is here with the 25% price off. Now you can get it at around $12. Features of this product: while other handheld spiralizers try to tempt you with bundle offers, they won't admit to the wastefulness of their zucchini spaghetti maker design. Just take a look at our second image to see what we mean. Our shorter, wider funnel and specially designed cap ensure that much more of your veggie is turned into Zoodles. Just the way it should be. A better design from us means less waste for you. As seen on the Today Show, HuffPost and Mashable. Thicker blade opening means no shredded zucchini with both our veggie noodle and ribbon blade. No clogging or jamming. No more shredding your veggies to mush. Our extra sharp blades make precision cuts for sturdy Zoodles that can stand up even in thick sauces and soups. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The next is Number 10, Aurokom Zucchini. This Zoodle makers is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $22. Features of this product: humanization design of the zucchini spaghetti maker. The carrot spiral shredder is designed to be versatile, powerful, and compact at the same time. 5 interchangeable blades to make a wide variety of cuts, for suction cups, pad for enhanced stability, blade caddy for safe blade storage, and the food container catches the sliced vegetables, which makes the countertop less mess. Durable vegetable spiralizer. The blades are made from heavy-duty stainless steel, guaranteed not to rust or lose sharpness. The handle and body are made from 100% BPA-free ABS, which is strong enough to withstand even the hardest veggies. The container is made from 100% BPA-free PS multi-purpose zucchini noodle maker. The veggie spiralizer is perfect for making quick low-carb, healthy veggie noodles from firm veggies like onions, carrots. The next is Number 9, Electric Food Spiralizer. Features of this product: 3-in-1 food cutting tool. The NutriChef 3-in-1 food spiralizer can slice, chop, and make stringy spirals used for salads, vegetable garnishes, pastas, noodles, and more. It creates fun food that boosts kids' appetite to help them eat their veggies. Corded design. The veggie chopper processor features a simple electronic plug-in design. 3.3-foot power cord length, safe for tabletop or countertop placement. Impress your guests and serve stunning salads. This upgraded fruit and vegetable slicer 3 cutting blades, features switchable cutter blades, coarse, fine chop, and spiral style cutting blades for your salad and cooking needs. Also includes a beaker to collect cut and spiralized food ready to serve or cook. The next is Number 8, Spiralizer Vegetable Slicer. Now you can get it at around $24. Features of this product: easy to use vertical spiralizer. The gravity does half the work, so no awkward sideways pressure is needed, and makes it more easier to get the slices and noodles from vegetable or fruits in seconds. Healthy every day, excellent for making veggie pasta or spirals. The easiest to use and best for those on a gluten-free low-carb raw food paleo diet. Replace high-carb pasta or noodles with healthy and tasty vegetable equivalents. Quality: made from BPA and heavy-duty reinforced food-grade ABS and ultra-sharp Japanese 420-grade hardened stainless steel blades for endless fruit and vegetable creations. An oversized super strong suction cup which will stay firmly locked to the countertop for hours. The next is Number 7, Weltabe's 6-blade. Now you can get it at around $35. Features of this product: premium quality materials made of 304 stainless steel, 6 blades. The other 4 blades are in the plastic storage box, which is superior quality, food-grade stainless, markedly stronger than any of the others which are old and weak. Unmatched spiralizers and salad utensils, beautifully shred, slice and chip most firm vegetables and fruits. Perfect for making quick low-carb, healthy veggie noodles from firm fruits. Veggies like apple, onion, carrot, zucchini, cucumber, cabbage, beet, turnip, rutabaga, radish, potato, sweet potato, squash and more. Works great even for long and wide veggies. The next is number 6, Hobart 5-blade stainless. Now you can get it at around $28. Features of this product: the Hobart Zoodle maker comes with one integrated spiral blade and 2 julienne blades. It also has 2 bonus spare blades. This stainless steel design includes industrial suction cups to make cutting easy. The Zoodle maker has a non-slip grip at the bottom to keep the tool in one place and securely taped on the kitchen counter. It can be used for slicing all vegetables and fruits. For your diet, get creative and eat healthy with the handy noodle maker to transform veggies into noodles and other shapes. Every veggie, the Zoodle maker, contains one integrated ribbon spiral blade of 3 mm thick and 4 julienne blades. The 4 mm blade in size 4 mm is fixed on the spiralizer blade board, and can be replaced by the other comb blades. The 3 comb blades of 2 mm, 4 mm and 6 mm size are placed in the small white box. The next is number 5, Chefman electric spiralizer. This Zoodle makers is here with the 8% price off. Now you can get it at around $45. Features of this product: high power, the quiet, powerful 300-watt motor handles all your blending needs. Spiralize, slice, ribbon, and grate a variety of vegetables or fruits for soups, salads, snacks, and more. This product is perfect for zucchini, beets, carrots, onions, or butternut squash. Simplified spiralizing: the easy-to-grip ergonomic handle with 2-speed push-button control makes spiralizing a variety of foods simple and easy. This style of spiralizer is more efficient than a horizontal spiralizer because it can be used directly on a cutting board. The open bottom allows you to easily push the spirals away when it gets too full. There's no need to stop and remove the spirals. Better blending: this is the ultimate tool for a variety of blending options. The stick design reaches into large cooking pots, pitchers, and mixing bowls. When creating a thicker consistency for a milkshake or smoothie, use the lower setting. The next is number 4, Reeftons 5-blade vegetable. This Zoodle makers is here with the 29% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. Features of this product: best rated, latest design with superior value. Don't waste your hard-earned money on old and weak designs. Our all-new improved tabletop Reeftons spiralizer is markedly stronger than any of the others on the market. You get a complete spiralizing bundle with 5 Japanese stainless steel blades, extra blade caddy for safe blade storage, printed user manual, easy online quick start guide with our demo videos, and 4 exclusive Reeftons digital cookbooks with delicious recipes you can make today. Strongest yet in quality above all, no expense was spared in making this the best quality veggie spiralizer. 5 labeled blades, made of Japanese 420 grade hardened stainless steel to ensure they always stay ultra sharp. Supersized foolproof suction pad, stays firmly locked to your tabletop for hours. Don't settle for models with small weak suction cups. The next is number 3, Fullstar 11-in-1 Mandolin. Now you can get it at around $40. Features of this product: the ultimate mandolin. Everything you need and more to slice, zest, grate, peel, ribbon, juice or spiralize in the kitchen with this 11-in-1 essential home gadget from Fullstar. Compact and practical, our vegetable mandolin slicer can be fully disassembled with ease, and the included blade box means that worrying about storage and organization is a thing of the past. Plus, this kitchen gadget is dishwasher safe and comes with a specialized cleaning tool, making cleaning a breeze. Keeping you and your family safe, we know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer, and a cleaning brush and blade organizer for when you aren't. The ABS plastic is non-toxic and BPA-free, guaranteeing healthy meals for your family. The next is number 2, adjustable mandolin slicer. This Zoodle makers is here with the 11% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. Features of this product: bonus handheld spiralizer, compact and easy to use. The Prep Naturals mandolin slicer comes with a bonus 3-in-1 adjustable spiralizer. Unlike large units, this kitchen gadget is easy to store and a breeze to clean as it is dishwasher safe. Functional and practical: slice, grate and julienne and adjust to your desired thickness with just a flick of a switch. Plus, cleaning this mandolin is a breeze. It can be fully disassembled with ease and every component is dishwasher safe, plus a specialized cleaning tool is included. Keeping you and your family safe, we know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer. The next is number 1, Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer. This Zoodle makers is here with the 29% price off. Now you can get it at around $15. Features of this product: compact and cleaning is a breeze. Unlike large units which are a hassle to store and clean, our pocket-sized spiralizer fits just about anywhere. The spiralizer can be fully disassembled with ease and every component is dishwasher safe. Functionality with ease: 4 options to fulfill all of your spiralizing needs in one space-saving kitchen gadget. Perfect for Zoodles, healthy vegetable pastas and gorgeous garnishes, and all available with just an easy push of a button. Mess-free storage solutions: the Fullstar Spiralizer comes with a removable container to catch all of your freshly sliced veg and lid so you have the option to store it for later. Keeping you and your family safe, we know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. So this is the best option for you to buy.